How to delete your account on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your account on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there, go to your profile and click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. In here you're gonna find the first option, which is manage account. And you have account control. You can click on delete account, and here you can delete your account. You choose why you are leaving TikTok, and once you are done, click on continue and follow those steps. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.